Join us for a short walk through East Meon, a beautiful village located in the South Downs in Hampshire, England. We are currently located at the top of the main street of East Meon. Let's start to explore the high street and look at parts of the River Meon that flows through the centre of the village. In the 6th century AD, a tribe called the Meons, who came from Denmark, invaded central Hampshire and then settled, giving the River Meon its name. They founded this village of East Meon. Let's continue following the river as it goes along the length of the high street. In the 14th century, East Meon, like the rest of Europe, was devastated by the Black Death, and perhaps 1/3 of the population of the village died. According to legend, during the Civil War in 1644, the Royalists and the Parliamentarians fought a skirmish in East Meon before the Battle of Cheriton Down. At the end of the street, we approached the village All Saints Church, which was built in the 12th century, although there was a church on this site much earlier. According to legend, King John married Queen Isabella in the All Saints Church in East Meon. As we leave this lovely village, we hope you have enjoyed this short walking tour of East Meon. Join us again on a future walking tour on our channel.